Scoring 360 out of 360 in NEET Biology is possible, but it takes effort. One needs to memorize each and every line of NCERT Biology in order to achieve the perfect score. Gyaanbee for NEET helps you to do just that with the help of flashcards. Gyaanbee for NEET has broken down the NCERT Biology books into line-by-line flashcards. Choose or search for a chapter and decide whether to revise or memorize the flashcards. Memorize flashcards uses our revolutionary memory science-based algorithm that stops you from forgetting ever again. Once you decide to memorize, set a goal for yourself every day and start learning the flashcards. See the prompt of each flashcard and try guessing the answer. Flip a card to get the correct answer to the flashcard. If you were confident with the answer, click easy and move to the next one. If you were slightly doubtful of the answer, click good. If you know the answer but don't recollect it, click hard. If you don't know the answer at all, click very hard. A very hard flashcard will repeat often until you find it easy, while the easy flashcards won't repeat much since you knew the answer to it already. Memorizing in this manner helps you to save time and revise efficiently, and before you know it, you would have memorized the entire book. In case you'd like to learn only the important flashcards from a lesson, head to the 7-day challenge on the app. Practice every day for at least 15 minutes a day and you too could score 360 out of 360 in NEET Biology.